Good morning, class. How are you? Today is Thursday, the 18th of June, and today is the last day of the week. So you can do your best work and then relax in the weekend. Guys, I am currently actually dressed in my pajamas. So that's right. Today we will have a bit of a pajama party on Teams. So, guys, for our meeting today, just wear your favorite pajamas, okay? All right, perfect, guys. So, how do we start today? Today, you will start the day with maths, guys. The maths lesson will be again a quiz where you can test yourself in how well you know fractions, non-unit fractions. So I will post that in the morning. I will give you the link and the code, and all you do for this lesson is quiz yourself. All right, guys, then the second lesson will be the second writing lesson of this week. Again, the focus is on biographies, and actually, you don't have to submit anything, but there is a nice biography there with pictures. You will have to figure out the text that we will talk about on Teams during our meeting, and you will need to guess who the biography is talking about, okay? Then the third lesson is social studies. Guys, again, we are doing Anglo-Saxons and the legal system. But this time you are going to be looking at some case studies, like literally crimes that happened, and you will have to kind of figure out what's the right kind of punishment. You will first listen or give reasons how they would be punished according to Anglo-Saxons, and then how they would be punished in modern Britain or today. And then you will be the jury who will decide like what's the best kind of punishment for each of the case studies. You have to do two of the case studies. There's a total of four on the worksheet, so you can complete all four if you like. But the basic thing is two case studies, okay? And then the fourth lesson will be extra support, those who have it with me. Others can also do this. It's as usual, Kraken Comprehension. So log into Kraken Comprehension Year 5 and do your assigned story, please. Also, so today's submission is social studies, and you will have to submit your spelling quiz. Don't forget to quiz yourself from the words that we had on Sunday, okay? All right, guys. Then, of course, from we finish around 12 o'clock, then you have 2 hours to catch up. Guys, I am absolutely not going to be chasing for your work. You have those extra 2 hours just to catch up. I don't want to chase anyone for workbook practice that has to be finished today. I don't want to chase people for spelling or any kind of work. It should be done tomorrow. If I don't find your work after 6 p.m., I will be issuing negative points for missing work, okay? But anyway, you guys have really plenty of time to complete your work, so please do, okay? And please don't let me find out that it's 6 p.m. and your piece of work is not there for the week. Spelling must be there, your spelling activities, workbook practice, social studies, and your spelling quiz. All right? Okay, guys, what time we will meet? So the last lesson that we all have together as a class would be the third lesson, which is social studies, because then in the fourth lesson I have extra support and some of you have Arabic. So we will meet during this social studies period, which is the third period at 10:40, guys, which is not very early, but it's much earlier than usual. So please don't forget to be on time. And the riddle, guys. So the riddle yesterday was they come out at night without being called, and they are lost in the day without being stolen. What are they? So the answer I was looking for was stars. Okay, stars disappear, they appear at night and they disappear during the day. No one steals them, they are still there, but we can't see them due to the sun. So what did you guys answer? Let me see. Right. Yes. So stars, bats, Anahita. Yes, bats come out at night and they disappear during the day. Good thought. Owls, bats, Patrick. Celine, stars, sometimes the moon. Yes, very good, very good. Also, Hayden, stars and moon. Yalmas, fireflies. I actually am not sure about fireflies, but yes, they do come out at night and we see them usually at night. I'm not sure during the day. Ghost, stars, yes. The moon, divine, stars. And a thief, Isita. Okay, that's good thinking. However, some thieves unfortunately appear during the day as well. Um, Anya, stars, moon, nocturnal animals. Animals that usually live at night. A spray tank. Whenever I look outside my window in the night, there will be a spray tank with sanitizer and sprayed all over the buildings in the night only. Oh, okay, that's very good thinking. Yes, very good. Bats, Zohaib, stars, moon, and stars, Kusai, Hala. Okay, very good. Excellent. Thank you so much for your thoughts. Your riddle for today that you will have to answer is um, what never asks questions but it's often answered? Once again, what never asks questions but is often answered? Please leave your thoughts below this post. And um, here we have a quote for today. Even if you are on the right track, you will get run over if you just sit there. Okay, guys? So, for example, what does it mean to be on the right track? Let's say you want to improve in English, okay? So, basically, you're Stenine. So, let's say you are Stenine 5 in English and you want to become better. So, you're on Stenine 6 now. So, you are on the right track. You are improving. However, just because you reached 1096 doesn't mean that you give up now. You need to keep going. You need to keep moving. And this is what they mean by this quote, okay? You could have everything you ever wanted and be happy with life. It's okay to stop and enjoy it for a while, but life is always changing and always evolving. If you stop on the track, you will not only go nowhere new, but other people and experiences will pass you by and leave you behind, okay? So, guys, despite you are going towards that goal in your life, never just sit around and stop. Always keep going so you can get new opportunities. And as they said, you can meet new people, and you this way you won't miss out on anything, and you will keep developing in life, guys. All right, perfect. So see you at 10:40. Be on time, and those I won't see in the meeting, have a great weekend. See you later.